friends! Today we're using our gingerbread mat. So you need a gingerbread mat and you need a cup to put your buttons in and a dry erase marker and then an eraser. So each day that you play, I'll tell you how many buttons to put in. Today, I'm going to show you how to play when you have 5 buttons. So you need to make sure that you're counting them correctly or your answer won't be correct. So I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Count your buttons 2 times to make sure you are correct. It doesn't matter which colors, you can mix them up. Make sure today our number is 5. You're going to put 5 buttons in and you're going to shake, 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 shake them up. So since we put 5 in the square in the middle, I'm going to write the number 5 because our answer is going to be a total of 5 buttons. So I'm going to put the number 5, and if you change your number, then you would just put the other number in there. And then I'm going to dump out my buttons and split them up in 2 different ways. So maybe I want this gingerbread man to have 2 buttons. So I'm going to put 2 buttons over here, and then I have to write the number 2 on that side. Mine aren't sticking because they're not magnetic, but yours will lay down. And then I have 3 more. So I put the other 3 on the other side. 3. I can draw a picture to show you what it looks like. 2 buttons on this side, and then 1, 2, 3. That solves my addition problem. 2 plus 3 equals 5. Then I can erase my mat, and I can put my buttons in and come up with another way, like 1 plus 4, or 0 plus 5, and come up with my addition problems. The next day you play, maybe your number is 6. So you would always put 6 in the square and come up with the different ways to add to 6. Then you might do 7, 8, 9, 10. You can do as many buttons as I tell you on that day. I hope you have fun playing Gingerbread Addition. Bye, friends.